Guys, it's KJ back with another video. All my friends is at school, but I'm not. I'm going to be showing you my fidget spinners. I'm going to spin them at the end. Chinese gold one, my rainbow spike, my rainbow spike metal one, my glitter one, rainbow two-piecer, Batman, don't know if I've showed you that yet. This one, London flag, light up in the dark one. This one got my milk over it a bit. Is that better? My bronze metal one. Have to get this quickly out its packet so I can show you it. Five-piecer. And last but not least, my gold one. I'm going to spin that first because it's the closest. Really cool. Five-piecer spinning. This is my rainbow spike one spinning. Thanks, guys. If you're wondering what that is, it's my leg, it's not my butt. There's that spinning. Put that in its, in fact, actually, spin this. It's my bronze one. Just put the ones to the side that's been spinned already. I think I've spinned the glitter one already. Don't know. Here's my Batman one spinning. Has a spike on the top of it. I think I've spun this already. Don't know. And last but not least, I go up in the dark one. Just go quickly, get it to go up. You have to hit it off something for it to go up. There we go. Right now, give it a better spin. Oh no! Oh no! No! There we go. I can't get it to go up, so here it is spinning. Hope you guys enjoyed. Next time I'll show you if I get new fidget spinners. And I'll see you after. That's 3 hours or something. It's 12 o'clock right now, I think. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thank you, and I'll see you. Goodbye.